Hey everyone, how it's going? I hope everybody is fine. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the background in Capcut PC. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. All right, guys, I have already added the video and the background that we will use in this tutorial. Let's add the background on the timeline first and change the ratio to 9.16 because the video is in the same ratio, and increase the size of the background so it fits the screen. Then add the video up on the background as an overlay. Let's increase the duration of the background. Now select the video, go to the left, click on Remove BG, then tick on this box and wait for some time. Capcut will process it.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, now you can see the background is changed. Now let's adjust the size and positions of the video so it fits the screen. Okay, everything is done. Let me play the video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
This is before we change the background. That's how you can change the background in Capcut PC. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.